SmartLight is a small and versatile 500 lumen headlamp for professionals. It has a durable, dust-tight and water-resistant design. The clever mag snap system lets you easily detach the lamp from the headband and snap it into the included helmet mount or on a metal surface. Both lamps in the series feature hybrid technology, meaning they are compatible with standard AAA batteries and the rechargeable Silva Hybrid Battery. The SmartLight Hybrid version comes with the hybrid battery included. The standard version includes no batteries and leaves the option to choose which battery to use. The wide headband provides a comfortable fit. It has silicone on the inside to prevent it from slipping, and smooth buckles for easy adjustment. SmartLight has a light output of 500 lumen and features Silva Intelligent Light that combines a long-reach spotlight with a close floodlight. It's tiltable 90 degrees. It has two LEDs that operate together to create optimal light for different conditions, and a cob LED that gives a wide light with smoother shadows for close range work. It has a large power button that is easy to operate with one hand even when wearing gloves. The lamp has 3 light modes. A short press starts the lamp in minimum mode. The min mode is good for reading and saves battery. Then you enter medium mode that is suitable for close range work. And finally max mode for long range work. When toggling into max mode, the lamp will flash shortly. This is a visual indication of which mode you are in and is helpful to prevent unnecessary button presses. Turn off with a long press. When switching the lamp on or off, the 4 LEDs on the side indicates the battery status. It also has a red light mode that preserves your night vision. It is accessed by a long press of the power button from off mode. You can then toggle between red and orange light with short presses on the power button. The orange light is optimal for reading maps or instructions. Turn off with a long press. The lamp has a lock function to prevent it from starting by accident. From off mode, hold the power button for 3 seconds until the blinking LED turns constant red. Now it can't be started. To unlock, simply hold the button until the flashing red LED turns constant green. Now the lamp can be operated as usual. Both SmartLight and SmartLight Hybrid feature hybrid technology, meaning they are compatible with standard AAA batteries, but also the rechargeable Silva Hybrid Battery, a compact battery with USB-C charging and battery charge indicator. The lamp is fully dust-tight, water-resistant and meets the IP65 standard. The lamp body is reinforced with rubber for increased shock resistance and durability. This means you can be out in really bad conditions without the risk of damaging the gear. Both the lamp unit and the included helmet mount has a magnetic surface that enables easy mounting and switching between headband and helmet. To detach, slide the lamp upwards and out of the bracket. Then just place it on the bracket and let the magnet lock it in place. Make sure you hear a click. The magnetic surface on the lamp also lets you snap the lamp directly onto metal surfaces. The helmet mount is attached to the helmet with adhesive tape and fits most helmets without a visor. If the helmet has a visor, this mag snap Z mount can be bought as a supplement. The Z mount lets the visor pass under the lamp. Here on the back side you find a QR code which gives quick access to the product information. This makes it easier to pass it along to a new user and increase the lifetime of the product. So, if you need a small and versatile, durable, dust-tight and water-resistant headlamp with a lot of light, a helmet mount and multiple battery options, a professional lamp for professional conditions, SmartLight is the lamp for you. SILVA PRO offers a wide range of durable, smart and trustworthy equipment you can rely on in any project at any location.